Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have the function like this. So if we do first derivative of the function, so we do first derivative of b. So the value of b will change for t. So we have f of b minus, we do first derivative of a. And the value of a will change for t. So we have f of a. So this is the technique how to do first derivative of the function, and the function that's about integration. Now let's go to the first one in here. So if we do first derivative of this one, we will do first derivative of h of s. Later that this value in here will replace for t. Minus, we do first derivative of number 0, and the value of number 0 will change for t. Now we need to simplify. We know that first derivative of number 0, you got 0. 0 with this one, you got 0. So we just have this one left. Now they want to find second derivative. If we do second derivative, we will apply about the product rule of derivative. That means we have y equals to uv. So if we do first derivative, we do first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So in this one, we will have about second derivative. So we do first derivative of h of s with first derivative. We will have about second derivative. Then we do first derivative of this one. So first derivative of e to the power of negative h hs to the power of 2, we will have about e to the power of negative h of s to the power of 2. Later that we do first derivative of negative h of s square, you will have about negative number 2 h of s multiplied by first derivative of h of s. Now we put number 0 go here, 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 and so on. Now we go to the function. That's about h of s in here. So if we do first derivative of the function h, we do first the derivative of s, and the value of s will go in here, and we have sine of s over s plus 1 minus, we do first the derivative of negative 2s, and negative 2s will go in here. So this one you got number 1. This one we have negative number 2. Negative, negative, we have positive. Next, we go to second derivative. So in this situation, we need to apply about quotient rule of derivative. So we have y equals to a over b. If we do first derivative in here, we will do first derivative of a multiplied by b minus first derivative of b multiplied by 8 over b squared. Now we apply this one and this one. So we do first derivative of sine s multiplied by s plus 1 minus first derivative of s plus 1 multiplied by sine s over s plus 1 to the power of 2. Now we do similar for the second one. So we do first derivative of 2 sine of negative 2s multiplied by negative 2s plus 1 minus, we do first derivative of negative 2s plus 1 multiplied by 2 sine of negative 2s over negative 2s plus 1 to the power of 2. Now we need to simplify. This one we have cosine s. This one you got number 1. This one in here we have negative number 4 cosine negative 2s. This one we have negative number 2 so negative with negative we have positive, 2 with number 2 we have number 4. And now for second derivative, if we put number 0 in here, we will have this one, and we put inside the number 0 in here. You will have about negative number 3. Now, first derivative. So we put number 0 go in here. This one you got 0. This one you got 0. So we have number 0 in here. And now the last one, that's about this one. So we put number 0 in here. So we have number 0 in here and number 0 in here. We see that the top equals to the bound. That's about number 0. So this one you got 0. Now we put the value in here. So this one is about negative number 3. This one we have number 0. This one we have number 0, 0, negative number 0, and number 0. So we have negative number 3. Because e to the power of number 0, you got number 1. So that's why we have only negative number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.